Hey everyone, it is Deborah, and we are doing our 500 subscriber celebration. That is what I'm calling it because I need to, due to previous giveaways. So I'm not going to use the word giveaway in the title of this, but please know that this is a 500 subscriber celebration, and there are some prizes. So let's go ahead and start out showing you the prizes. Let's get to work on this, and this is a clear stamp and die set from Recollections, and it's all Christmas trees. You can stamp and use, you can stamp the images and then cut them out on your die cut machine. So this is going to be prize number 1, and I'm going to put YouTube number 1. So please remember these numbers. Go ahead and write them down, because you're going to need to put those numbers in the comments section if you want to be part of the giveaway for this. Okay, this is YouTube prize number 2, which is snowflakes. The same concept as that prize number 1, but snowflakes. So if you're interested in this, make sure that you put number 2 in the comments section. Okay. All right, here is a Cricut insert cards. These are awesome for making your cards. If you have a Cricut, you can use these with Cricut, and I believe, let's see real quick, you do have to have the matte. Actually, these are for Cricut Joy, so it's going to be Cricut Joy Ultra, Extra, or regular Joy. So Cricut Joy Extra or regular Cricut. So you want to make, a regular Cricut Joy, okay, or Joy Extra only. So you want to make sure that you have those two machines, or one of those machines, in order for this to work on your machine. Okay, that's giveaway number 3 for YouTube. Okay, here is giveaway number 4 for YouTube. And so if you're interested in this, it's a 6x6 paper pad by Pebbles, and I can do a little bit of a flip through for you. It's a fall pad for sure. Apples, pumpkins, you name it, are in there. So look how cute. That is YouTube number 4. So if you're interested, remember that number. Okay, YouTube number 5. Sweet Freedom by Pink Paisley. It's a 6x6 pad and very patriotic. Okay, I think it's double-sided. Let me see. No, it's single-sided. 6x6 paper pad, YouTube number 5 to give away. We got a lot of stuff to give away tomorrow. Well, for the 500 giveaway. 500 subscriber giveaway celebration. Okay. All right, here is YouTube number 6, which is Goldenrod Wind Canoe 2. Let's see, that's from American Crafts. And let's see, they're single-sided. Very pretty. There was some strawberry prints in there, popsicle prints, very summery. Okay. That was YouTube number 6. Okay, here is YouTube number 7. Let me write this down, guys, because you want me to be organized on this. This is Pink Paisley, Indigo, and Ivy. And anyway, very pretty, very subdued prints, and that was just a little glimpse of that. You can also look it up online. It may not be sold anymore because these are all stuff that I picked up at Ollie's. It is stuff that probably came from Joann's, just to give you an idea of where our prizes came from. Okay, and I'm not going to take the price tags off. Sorry, guys, but here is a die cut with a View Urban Street 6x6 card stock, and these are double-sided. You could use these for a variety, even fall-related crafting. Very cute. So this is YouTube number 8. Okay. Here is YouTube number 9. Okay. Let me write it down. Spring Fling by Pebbles. I don't even know if they make this paper anymore, to tell you the truth. Single-sided. Look how cute. Very spring. Could be used for Valentine's. Ooh, little Easter. And yeah, just super, super cute. Okay. So that is YouTube number 9. Okay. Now we got the grand prize. This is something I've been waiting to give away, and this was a 500 subscriber giveaway. This is number 10, right? Let's make sure. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, this is number 10. Oh my goodness. This one. Yeah. Okay. It is a mini cinch, okay, with your first package of gold rings, okay? So this is YouTube number 10. You've seen some of my videos, and you know about this. So you'll get the mini cinch and the cinch. Okay, guys, remember those numbers. If you need to review the video again, please review the video again. What you need to do is USA address only. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do international. It's just too much to deal with customs and the cost. Okay, so USA only. You need to comment which prizes you're interested in winning. Okay, and you have until Sunday, which is the 27th, I believe. Let me make sure before we... Yes, Sunday, July 27th, 2025, by 6 p.m. Central Standard Time to enter this giveaway. No, I shouldn't say giveaway. Celebration. 500 subscriber celebration. Okay? So, you're going to comment 1 through 10 which prizes you're interested in. And just do that. And then, what else? I will announce some winners on Monday before noon, okay, Central Standard Time. So you need to comment below by Sunday, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Anyway,
Deborah,
I will talk to you later.